Coming soon. On March 13th. Make the switch to GoAnimate Network HD. Animation TV HD is changing their name to GoAnimate Network HD. Tune in to the world of animating on channel 121. Hey guys, Eric Smith here. Welcome back to Princess Eric Smith series. And today we all almost there at Sleep In.
Hey guys, we are finally here.
Hello, welcome to Sleep In. How can I help you?
We will like to have a room, please.
Okay, here's your sleeping room card.
Wow. The room looks great.
I know.
Look, there is a bathroom over there, Dad. Can I use the bathroom?
Oh, of course, Eric.
Thunderstorm warning for northern Moore County, South Central Sherman County, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail. This storm was located near Cactus, or about 11 miles north of Dumas, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sunray, Cactus. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Remember, severe thunderstorms can, and occasionally do produce tornadoes with little or no advanced warning. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties, in Texas, Moore, and Sherman.
Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Bye.
Guys, it's time to go to bed.
Okay, Mom. Someone took a freaking dump on the toilet.
Coming up next, it's Goanimate Popsters, followed by Midnight Space Traveling on Goanimate Network.